Juno, and I'm here to talk about toothpaste tablets.
These are an eco-friendly replacement for traditional toothpaste tubes.
We wanted to try out a few different brands and let you know what we liked
and what we didn't like.
We are talking about 3 different brands today, but there are many other brands on the market.
So if you like this video and want to see our reviews of other eco-friendly products, be sure to like and subscribe.
Today we are reviewing Bite, Huppy, and Toothpaste.
Let's start with packaging. Both Bite and Huppy ship 100% plastic-free. And we got these Toothpaste tablets from a local store.
Here is the Huppy box. We can confirm that it did not contain any plastic in the packaging. It's so simply packaged. And the tablets come in these compostable bags and come with a reusable tin to store your tablets in.
And here is the Bite packaging. It came in this nice box, and again, we can confirm it shipped 100% plastic-free.
The Bite tablets came in these great glass jars, and with a subscription, you'll get refill packs in compostable bags just like Huppy.
And finally, the Toothpaste tablets also came in a compostable package.
So overall, with all tooth tabs, you're saving tons of waste from going to the landfill. Toothpaste is made in Europe, and Huppy and Bite are both made in the USA.
Toothpaste can be purchased at several stores and online shops.
Well, Bite and Huppy offer both one-time and subscription purchasing.
Now that you know the basics, let's talk about the tablets.
Let's start with Toothpaste. To be honest, we did not like these very much, so our mom ended up using them. And she said they would be great for camping or hiking.
But they were not her favorite for everyday use, so these came in third place.
Next, let's talk about Bite. We ordered the seasonal cinnamon and watermelon.
And the berry, which they sell year-round. The cinnamon was too hot for us, but our parents liked them a lot.
We really liked the berry flavor, but the watermelon was our favorite.
Here are the cinnamon tablets.
And here are the berry. All you do is chew the tablet and then brush your teeth.
Easy!
We really liked the Bite tablets overall, and we think that they're a great replacement for traditional toothpaste.
But for us, they sometimes got stuck in our teeth and didn't foam as much as we hoped.
Next, let's talk about Huppy.
We tried 3 flavors: charcoal mint, peppermint, and watermelon strawberry.
Our parents both loved the peppermint and the charcoal mint.
And we loved the watermelon strawberry.
Here is the watermelon strawberry tablet.
The Huppy tabs are a little bit bigger than the Bite tablets. Here's the berry.
The Huppy tabs were the perfect size, foamed nicely, and left our teeth feel nice and clean.
The Huppy tablets are a perfect replacement for traditional toothpaste.
Both Huppy and Bite are very highly rated, so try them both and let us know what your favorite is.
We will include the links to all 3 tooth tablets we talked about today in the video description.
Check out their websites and consider making the switch.
The Earth will thank you.
So, which one is our top choice?
Well, for packaging, Bite takes first place. We really liked the glass jars.
But the Huppy tins are great too.
For taste, it was a tie between the Bite watermelon and Huppy watermelon strawberry.
But since you can't get the Bite watermelon flavor year-round or as part of the subscription, Huppy takes first place.
Yay! Finally, for overall effectiveness, Huppy takes first place.
Everyone in our family liked Huppy best, putting Huppy in first place. As an added bonus, both Bite and Huppy also sell eco-friendly floss, mouthwash, and toothbrushes too.
And both companies are on a mission to care for the planet and are focused on sustainability
and natural, ethically sourced ingredients.
We love buying from great companies.
That's all for now.
Remember to use your voice to spread hope and inspiration. Happy New Year!